Yeah, that's a good pattern. I like it. I got nothing negative to say about it.
Old Bridge traffic, Warrior 40 Juliet Alpha is departing runway 24. Old Bridge.
Give me a soft field departure out of this one.
Soft field.
So this is where you're gonna have full back elevator pressure.
And we
and they're
keep
gonna
move it.
And you keep it moving, exactly.
We'll
and
go
then,
into ground effect.
Right.
And then pitch for 79 and then climb.
You got a message there.
Pitch tanks. Fuel pump is on. You have to acknowledge it or anything?
Yeah, hit message again. And it brings you back to whatever screen you were at last.
You're on the left tank.
Alright.
Alright, 2 knots flaps. And I made the call already. We're good to go. I don't see anybody on final except for these Hawks.
No,
you know it's a good windy day when they're out.
Never thought about it.
They love thermals, they love updrafts, they love all that stuff.
You're a bird guy? I would have never thought about that.
Yeah, them and buzzards you always see, but it's windy. They like to glide.
Keep it nice and steady. Wait till it rotates. A little bit of back elevator pressure. Right rudder, right rudder, right rudder. And on this side, don't get over those trees. They're really tight.
Really tight. $79 right there. Now, will we be departing that way?
You can depart on the left crosswind, yeah.
Okay. Clear of obstructions. Start getting these out. The power lines down there. Holy crap. Climb, climb, climb. Old Bridge traffic, Warrior 40 Juliet Alpha be departing to the southeast. Old Bridge. I could just make out the hangar at Lakehurst from here. See it?
Oh yeah, there it is.
11 o'clock.
Yep. Stuff like that is very helpful for your spatial awareness, especially when you're near home.
For your pilotage. The birds there.
Yeah.
Thousand feet. Fuel pump coming off.
What altitude are we going to go back?
I'm going to shoot for 1800. Try and get it right. Right on the 1800. We're at 13 right now. Of course, with our course.
Give yourself a little buffer, just making it even 2000.
All right, 2000.
Or rather, you have the altitude than be lower.
Yeah.
And when you go do stuff on your own, whether you're practicing, you know, in the local area, pick altitudes like 27, you know, 23, you know, just random odd numbers, you know, when you're going to do your steep sterns and stuff like that. Because everybody else flies at 2,000 and 2,500, so you gives you a little bit of, you know, random buzzard, random buffer, and just get flight following so like that they can.
Yeah. No, the flight following is definitely very important. I'm a big proponent of that.
You know, there are times where they're not going to call out traffic, so you got to be on the lookout. You know, it's not their main priority, but it can help you out. very suspicious looking building over there. Wonder what they do there.
Where?
Started like a 20-degree bank turn. Right behind the wingtip.
Oh,
No, no, it just looks random.
yeah. Alright, 2,000. Power back a little. What do you think, like 2,200 RPM? For when you get into cruise?
Anywhere from 22 to 24. It depends on just what you're looking for, you know, fuel burn and time and route. You know, most of the time people are in a rush to get there. Like when you go on your cross country, just give yourself an extra, if it's going to take you 2.5 hours to do the actual flight, pick yourself an extra hour and a half. You know, what if you got to stop at one of your destinations to use the bathroom? What if you want to stop there just to take a picture or something? Walk around the FBO, so like that you're not rushing on the way back. You know, what's the point?
You know what the body of water is, right?
The Manasquan Reservoir.
That's right. Love that place.
I gotta explore that place.
Definitely need to get my ass there a lot more this year.
I went to the dog park at Ocean Township Park, Ocean County Park.
Yeah, they got two. They got one for like small dogs and one for
So
big dogs.
I went to the one in Lakewood. Then I read the sign, so you gotta have your dog registered. So I just hopped in for like 15 minutes and left before anybody patrolled.
Can your dog handle like 5 miles of running and walking and stuff? That's how long this is.
Yeah.
There's a lot of hills too. There's the elevation change there is about 300 feet.
Really?
Yeah.
No kidding.
Yes.
I'll have to check it out.
Because it dips down in one section, then it comes up. You'll hit a lot of hills.
Okay.
Especially this back section here. A lot of steep hills and then drops.
Cool. I would go to Shark River with the dog. I don't know if you ever walked around those parks.
Nah, driven by it a million times.
Yeah, that's a decent park. There's some spots that could be muddy.
In the summer, this is nice too, because they don't allow gas engines there, but if you have an electric motor on your boat, or if you have a rowboat or kayak or something, go there.
Nice. Did you ever go swimming in it, or?
No, I don't think they let you swim.
Okay.
That's the water supply for Howell.
I did not know that. I figured it was a water supply for something.
Yeah.
So with this nav page here, you could change these frequencies. If you want, you can throw it into autopilot.
I know I'm off course a little bit, but that's just because I wanted to get closer to it.
So that's what I was going to show you with this course track error.
Yeah.
So you can see, if you're full scale deviated, you're 1 mile off. And you can see that that's your XTK here is your cross track error.
Cross track.
Right. Now, depending on who flies the airplane, they'll switch up these fields on you. So to switch it back, you would just go to menu, change fields, enter. And now it highlights the cursor, whatever field you want. And now you can change it. So let's say you wanted to change your track, highlight track, enter. I didn't change it. Oh, sorry. Highlight track and then just use the long knob, twist it over, and now you can change to whatever field you're looking for.
I'm going to switch frequencies.
Wood advisory onlyest airport. VFR automated weather advisory. Wind 240 at 10, gust 18, visibility 10. Sky condition, few clouds at 4,000, temperature 6 Celsius, dew point -4 Celsius, altimeter 3003, humidity 50%, density altitude missing, condensation altitude 5,000.
Brookhaven traffic, yellow white skyhawk turning final, runway 15, Brookhaven.
You're already in the home page.
Yeah. Okay. Get back on track.
Brookhaven traffic, 105 Delta 5 shows on the left, midfield downers, runway 15.
And this is a little bit easier approach because we'll be descending at a 45 and right into the downwind.
So I'm going to show you another trick with this GPS. Not that you have to use it when you go places, but it's just going to help you with finding other airports. As we get a little closer, you're going to hit the OBS button. We got to change this to CDI.
All right.
And now you could change your course. You're going to end up changing your course to 240.
All right.
So now if we look at, let's see here, why isn't it doing it? There we go. So I did the wrong thing. Keep it in GPS, you hit OBS, and then it allows you to change your course with the left knob, 240. That magenta line you see there, 240.
All right.
You see that magenta line there?
Yeah.
It's extending out of the runway, or out of the middle of the field, 240. So now, it's telling you your course is to your left, so let's fly heading of, I don't know, maybe like 150. Let's start descending. So there's the field, 3T hangars.
Yeah.
Royal dealerships. So 150 on the heading. So as you get closer, that hollow needle means that you're full scale deviation. You can see here you're 1.9 miles off your track. Make it 140. You see how the numbers is getting less and less?
Yeah.